Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on this brand new Range Rover Evoque P200 2020. So how the system works is someone was to claim this key or steal the key from the house, jump in and try and start it, put their foot on the brake, try and start it, this is what would happen. It wouldn't start, okay? Couldn't start it. So what you can do now is every time you jump in the vehicle, you can either go through a disarm push sequence on the steering, which I'm going to show you, or you can use an authorization tag here, or you can pair it to your phone as a tag with an app called the Starline key. So I'm going to show you the very basics. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, receive a melody, there you go, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. When you want to take it for a service and you want to put it in valet mode, you can either go into the Starline key app, push and hold it on the key till it goes from green to red to amber, release, and you get 2 bleeps and it'll be in valet mode. But here we can do it with the button. So the way you would do it is ignition on, put your disarm sequence in, 1, 2, 3, receive a melody, and now hit this button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, ignition back on, 2 bleeps, it's now in valet mode. So it means you can give them the car, don't have to give them no tag and no phone and no code. So basically you can start it in a normal way. When you receive the vehicle back, either introduce it with the tag and take it out of valet mode with the phone or the tag, which I'll show in a later video, or just ignition on and insert your code. So, 2 double bleep system is disarmed. Or should I say valet is off and vehicle's protected. Now, if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. And the way you do that is ignition on, insert your push sequence, wait for your melody, then push this button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, wait for a second, ignition back on, you get 5 bleeps. There you go. So on here we can use this button, this button, this button and this button. So I'm going to set something very basic. This time I'm going to use the cancel button. I know that it works, it's giving me a bleep, so another button we can use. So now we're going to wait for a melody to say it's accepted it. There you go. Now repeat it again. Wait for a melody again. There you go, code is now learned. So ignition off. Ignition back on. We didn't leave it long enough. So ignition back on, insert your new, sorry, didn't leave it long enough. So let's try now. Ignition on, insert your new code, wait for your melody. That's your new code, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when pairing a phone to this, what you need to do is you need to download an app called Starline Key. Once you've downloaded it, you need to go into programming mode. And the way you go into programming mode is, first of all, you have to disarm the system, and secondly, you have to make the system discoverable. So I'm just going to show you, I haven't got a phone here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically, ignition on, insert your code, receive your melody, there you go, and then hit this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, ignition back on. We've just received 7 bleeps. That's now discoverable and you can find it on the Starline Key app. Just search it, store it. It's going to ask you for a code. The code is 60. It's going to give you a double bleep, say no connection on the actual screen, but it will connect, and then ignition off and it's stored. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.